Steve.
Good morning, sir, madam. I am Rubilin Yabes, 40 years old, and I'm married. We are 10 in the family, and the third to the last. I graduated as Junior Secretarial course at St. Louis College, Lanao. I am Iglesia ni Cristo, and I have also working experience in our province. My job is cleaning the house, cooking simple foods. I am willing to learn cooking Chinese food. I go to market too, wash dishes and clothes, mop the floor. I prepare school uniform for kids and help them in their assignment. My hobbies are listening music and cooking. I want to work abroad because I want to have better future for my family. Sir, madam, if you choose me as one of your maids, I will do my duties and responsibilities. I am honest, patient, and hardworking. I will love and treat your family as my own. I promise to finish my 2-year contract. Hope to see you soon, sir, madam. Thank you.